How to connect DEXTools to Phantom Wallet step-by-step guide. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly. Now, you can go ahead and do this from your mobile applications while using the DEXTools application and the Phantom Wallet application. In my case, to make things easier, I'm going to be doing it from my Windows computer by using just a browser. Now, the steps is going to be the same, so just go ahead and follow along. Now, right after downloading or heading over to the DEXTools website, you can just go ahead and navigate through the connect button right here. And once inside, you will be able to see the button for you to connect your wallet. So just go ahead and click on connect, click on all wallets, and from here, we can now go ahead and search for the Phantom Wallet. Now, right after clicking the Phantom Wallet, it will now redirect us to the Phantom extension right here or the Phantom application. Click on connect. And right after that, just go ahead and click on verify wallet, click on confirm, and we should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.